I promised in my previous video that we will be seeing the examples of each and every state via code, and we'll see the state transition live. So here what I am trying to do, I have created a thread lifecycle class inside which I have my main method. Inside my main method, so here what I'm trying to do, I'm creating an instance of Runnable interface, okay, and providing the implementation for run method. So if this syntax is confusing to you, I'm just trying to highlight here I'm using lambda expressions, which the feature which has been rolled out in Java 8. What happens in the traditional ways, what we used to do, we basically create a object which basically implements the Runnable interface, then we provide the implementation of run method. So we are doing the similar thing over here, but just by using lambda expressions, and while creating the object of the thread class, I'm passing the instance of Runnable. Okay, so this is something you are already aware of, because let me know if you want videos on Java 8 features as well. I will create videos on that, but I just want to highlight it over here. After that, at line number 11, we are creating a new thread and passing the object of Runnable. So at line number 12, if you see, I am trying to access the name of the thread which has been created, and will try to access the state of the thread. Post that, I have called the start method, and then I am again trying to access the state of the thread. So whatever we have learned in the previous video, we can say on the basis of that, we can say that at this point of time, our thread will be in the new state, and as soon as the start method is called, our thread should be either probably in the Runnable state if any CPU has not been allocated to this particular thread. So let's try to execute it without any further ado, and let's see the output. So if you see, the thread which has been created is thread 0, and its state was new, and as soon as I have called the start method, my thread state transitioned from new to Runnable. And then again, whatever the task I have assigned to my thread, that has been already completed, where I was just trying to print all the numbers, right, by iterating a loop. So that is very simple code, but the main purpose of this example is to demonstrate the state transition from new to Runnable. So that's all for this video. If you find this video informative, please do like it and share with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video where I will be talking about the other states. Thank you so much.